Hi, I'm Jason with expertvillage.com, and today we're making a bracelet out of wire and coax cable. So far we've cut our wire, we've cut the beads off of the coax cable, we've smoothed the edge on the inside of the beads, we've cut off a little bit of excess trim on the outside of the bead, and now we're going to take the Dremel with the sanding bit and just go over the edge of each of the four sides really quick to smooth the outside of the bead. So we'll do that really quick. We're just going to do the same thing as we did last time. We're not going to try to take any away, we're just going to try to smooth it. So and we didn't cut any away, we just smoothed the edges so that we can put the bead inside, or the inside of the bead in. We'll glue it in and paint the end also, but this kept so that there wasn't any excess on the outside of the bead. It keeps them nice and smooth looking. So we'll make the bead next. After we'll make the bead next, and then after that we'll paint it.